Welcome back to the channel everyone. In this video, we are looking at progress of a new Aldi store that is currently being developed near Preston Docks. We last visited here on the 19th of May. In the last video, we could see half of the groundworks, nearly ready for the next phase. Here we can see a trench being dug, ready for footings or maybe pipe work. Here we can see more footings being prepared for the main framework to be built on top. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Please subscribe to the channel to see more updates on this site and of other projects around Preston. Thank you for watching. See you next time.